So how do you check the FPS on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPad's settings app, you can locate the accessibility section. Part of the accessibility, we have the motion right there indicated by the green icon. And then at the bottom of the motion section, we have the limit frame rate. Right, so this is the thing that you are probably interested in. So when this is turned on, the maximum frame rate is going to be 60 frames per second, right? Which is okay. A lot of iPads still do that, but on the iPads Pro models, you have the high refresh rate, meaning it's like 90 instead of 60. So if it's limited to 60, you can disable it and make it go to 90, right? So that's kind of how it works. If you generally want to know about your iPad and how much it actually supports, like you can just check out your general information of the iPad, click on the About, and you can see we have the model number. So in my case, it's the A2377, and I can check it out within the Safari and see the specific information about my iPad. So I'll be able to browse everything that's going on about my iPad, like the type of display, the refresh rate, and all of the things, so I can specifically see what's the deal with my device. So in case you have some other additional questions about this, let me know about that below in the comments, but I just try to cover the most, common stuff, right? So stay tuned for more quick guides and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.